Is your car losing power and burning more fuel than usual? Dirty fuel injectors can reduce engine performance, lower fuel efficiency, and cause rough idling without you even realizing it. The right fuel injector cleaner can remove carbon buildup, restore smooth performance, and help your engine run like new again. In this video, I'll show you the best fuel injector cleaners that improve efficiency, clean deeply, and boost overall engine performance. So, without any delay, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the Hot Shot Secret Gasoline Extreme, a fuel additive designed to restore performance in gasoline engines by cleaning injectors and removing carbon buildup. Fuel systems can accumulate deposits over time, especially if a vehicle is frequently used for short trips or sits unused for long periods. This cleaner aims to address those issues with a concentrated detergent formula. One of the key features of this cleaner is its ability to target carbon deposits throughout the fuel system, including injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. By dissolving these deposits, the product helps fuel spray more evenly into the engine, which can improve combustion efficiency and overall engine performance. Another benefit is its compatibility with modern gasoline engines, including turbocharged and direct injection systems. As engines become more complex, keeping the fuel system clean becomes increasingly important to maintain smooth acceleration and prevent rough idling. Users typically add the product directly to the fuel tank during a refill. As the fuel circulates through the engine, the cleaner works gradually to break down buildup that may restrict fuel flow. While this cleaner performs well for general maintenance and periodic system cleaning, it may not be as concentrated as some premium injector cleaners designed specifically for heavy carbon buildup. Coming in at number 4 is the Stabil Fast Fix Fuel Injector Cleaner, a product designed primarily to solve common fuel-related problems quickly. Unlike some fuel additives that focus only on long-term maintenance, this cleaner targets issues like rough idling, hard starts, and engine hesitation. One of the biggest advantages of this cleaner is its quick-action formula. The product works by breaking down gum, varnish, and small deposits that may clog fuel injectors or restrict fuel flow. These contaminants can form when fuel sits in the tank for extended periods or when low-quality gasoline is used. The formula also helps remove water and moisture from the fuel system, which can be a common problem in vehicles that sit unused for weeks or months. Water contamination can lead to poor engine performance and even corrosion in extreme cases. As the vehicle runs, the product circulates through the fuel system and gradually cleans internal components. The Stabil brand is well known for fuel stabilizers and engine maintenance products, so many vehicle owners trust it for preventative maintenance. While it may not offer the strongest deep cleaning performance compared with premium injector cleaners, it excels at quick fixes and routine maintenance. Taking the number 3 spot is the Redline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner, a powerful additive that has become a favorite among car enthusiasts and mechanics. One of the reasons this cleaner stands out is its high concentration of PEA, polyetheramines, a detergent compound widely recognized for effectively removing carbon deposits from injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. PEA-based cleaners are often considered the most effective type of injector cleaner because they can break down stubborn carbon buildup without leaving harmful residue. The Redline SI1 formula also contains synthetic lubricants that help protect upper cylinder components while the cleaning process occurs. Another advantage is its concentrated formula, which means one bottle can treat an entire tank of fuel. Many drivers report smoother engine operation, improved throttle response, and restored power after using the cleaner. This product is particularly useful for high-mileage vehicles or engines that haven't received regular fuel system maintenance. By cleaning injectors and other fuel system components, it helps restore proper fuel spray patterns and combustion efficiency. Online automotive communities often recommend this cleaner for more serious fuel system buildup. One Reddit user even reported that it helped remove noticeable carbon deposits after a single treatment. While it can be slightly more expensive than some other cleaners, the strong formula makes it a great option when you want deep cleaning performance and long-lasting fuel system protection. At number 2 is the Lucas Oil 10003 fuel treatment, one of the most widely used fuel additives on the market. This product is known for its ability to clean fuel injectors while also lubricating key engine components. Unlike some cleaners that focus only on removing carbon deposits, the Lucas formula also works as an upper cylinder lubricant. This means it helps reduce friction between internal engine parts, which can contribute to smoother engine operation and improved longevity. Another advantage is its versatility. The Lucas fuel treatment can be used in both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a convenient option for households with multiple vehicles. The product also helps neutralize low-sulfur fuel problems, which can sometimes reduce lubrication in modern fuel systems. By adding extra lubrication, the cleaner helps protect injectors and fuel pumps from premature wear. Drivers often use this additive as a preventative maintenance treatment, adding it to the fuel tank every few thousand miles. Over time, this routine cleaning can help prevent deposit buildup and maintain consistent engine performance. In automotive communities, many drivers report using Lucas fuel treatment regularly for long-term engine care. For example, one Reddit user mentioned using it every oil change and experiencing smoother operation over the life of the vehicle. Because of its strong cleaning ability, lubrication benefits, and compatibility with different engine types, Lucas Oil 10003 fuel treatment is a reliable choice and earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner, widely regarded as one of the most trusted fuel injector cleaners available today. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is its advanced detergent formula, which is designed to clean the entire fuel system, including fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. By removing carbon deposits, the cleaner helps restore proper fuel flow and improve overall engine performance. When injectors become clogged with carbon buildup, fuel may not spray evenly into the engine. This can lead to problems such as rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, or reduced fuel efficiency. Techron's cleaning formula works to dissolve those deposits and restore optimal injector operation. Another major advantage is its compatibility with nearly all gasoline engines, including turbocharged and modern fuel-injected systems. Because of this versatility, many automakers and mechanics recommend Techron as a preventative maintenance treatment. The cleaner is also designed for regular maintenance use. Drivers can add a bottle to their fuel tank periodically to help prevent carbon buildup and maintain consistent engine performance. Many drivers report improvements in engine smoothness, acceleration, and fuel economy after using the cleaner, especially in vehicles that haven't had fuel system maintenance in a while. Because of its proven cleaning technology, reliability, and widespread industry trust, the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner stands out as the best overall fuel injector cleaner and takes the number 1 spot on this list.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!